Dr. and Hakeem Tariq Mahmood is an expert sexologist. Male Infertility Documentary. Part 3, Fertilization. Sperm. Sperm is a male reproductive cell. It combines with female gamete called as ovum. To form a zygote. The formation process is called fertilization. Sperm composition. Semen, also known as seminal fluid, is an organic fluid that may contain spermatozoa. It is secreted by the gonads, sexual glands, and other sexual organs of male and can fertilize female ova. In humans, seminal fluid contains several Sertoli cells, which nurture and support developing spermatocytes, secrete a fluid into seminiferous tubules that helps transport sperm to the genital ducts. Sperm atmosphere. Sperm cells have a limited life cycle. Some sperm die within a few minutes. A few might live up to 7 days, but only under perfect conditions. A sperm's life cycle outside the man's body begins at the moment of ejaculation. Its goal is to swim through a woman's cervix, make it through the uterus and end in the fallopian tube in search of an egg. It won't have much time. During this process, sperm cells face many obstacles, and each one reduces the number of sperm. Out of the 500,000 sperm that started out, only about 10 to 20 will actually reach the woman's egg. During vaginal intercourse, sperm is deposited in the acidic vagina. This atmosphere kills the sperm that don't make it to the cervix within hours. During ovulation, the pH of the reproductive tract becomes less acidic and sperm might live a little longer, giving them extra time to swim upward toward the cervix. Some sperm make it to a fallopian tube, although a few thousand might make the complete journey there. Only a few will find an egg. The average life of a sperm that makes it to the fallopian tube is 3 to 4 days. Although some can live as long as a week. To be continued.
One 955288903349555